Beusable is a UX research and analysis tool that essentially tells you everything that you need to know about your users and how they interact with your website. I've used analytic tools before, particularly Google Analytics, because I was in marketing. A big struggle was not just the steep learning curve that comes with using it, learning how to use it, how to filter everything, how to organize everything, but then what was most difficult was trying to explain the data that you collected to others. If you don't understand why a tool like this is important, let me explain. Businesses often don't understand their customers, it's just a fact, because even through user interviews, customers don't even understand themselves. There's a huge difference between what a user says they need versus what they actually need, because it's really difficult to self-evaluate. User interviews are great, but actually seeing how users behave naturally and how they naturally interact with your website without knowing that they're being evaluated is extremely effective.